the sibling who first completed circling the universe thrice, and Ganesha and Kartik were playing nearby. Shiva decided to test their strength. He declared that of the two, would be seen as being the mightier one, sat on his peacock, and sped off on his journey around. Promptly, Kartik sat. He traveled over the seas, the universe, the mountains, the earth, the moon, rushed from one place to another in his and the galaxies. He rebelly. Ganesha would never effort to beat Ganesha. He knew that with a mouse for a vahana and a large pot would be able to compete with him. Sat peacefully at his parents' feet. He quietly got up and walked around his parents thrice. When Kartik came back, he was meanwhile, Ganesha Shiva's lap. He could not understand, astonished to see Ganesha happily sitting in Ganesha said that his parents were his universe, and by circling them, and how Ganesha could have returned before he did. Being head-headed, he had proved himself. He accused Ganesha of being unfair. Shiva was very people would first pray to Ganesha. Pleased with Ganesha's wisdom, he declared that before starting any work, this is why it is considered auspicious to worship Ganesha before undertaking any task. Increased tales of his love for milk and butter. As Krishna grew older, his pranks where the milkmaids crossed the fields, Krishna and his friends shot pebbles at them. Terror had spread in every household. Whenever Yashoda kept the butter jars tied together to break the milk pitchers. Knowing Krishna's love for milk, came running into their home and hung them from a high ceiling where Krishna's hands could not reach. They quickly huddled together to help Krishna stand on their shoulders. And one day, seeing Krishna fast asleep, get down the jars, she went to fetch a bucket of water from the nearby well. Krishna. Then they sat down to eat the butter, jumped up and whistled aloud. A group of boys and monkeys came to see Yashoda enter the house. Furious, they were so absorbed that they did not. Krishna got a good spanking from his mother. Furious, she chased them with a stick. The monkeys and friends escaped, but Krishna that he would never ask her any questions. Soon, Ganga gave birth to a child but drowned him in the river. Shantanu was shocked. One by one, she drowned 6. Once, King Shantanu of Hastinapur met a woman named Ganga on the banks of river Ganga. He wanted to marry her and she agreed to do so on the conditions more children. Finally, when she was old, Shantanu asked her why she was going to drown her 8th child. She was doing so. She said that she was the goddess Ganga under a curse. The children were Vasus Demi, to be born as a human gods, and she was freeing them of the curse. But since Shantanu had stopped her, the 8th child would have to live, so Ganga left. The 8th child grew up to be the great warrior, the life of a human, saying warrior Bhishma. One day, Yashoda got busy in her household chores, and she left baby Krishna in the courtyard, all whirlpool of dust all across the city of Gokul. Trinavarta rocketed higher and higher into the sky. The entire city was. Just then, Kansa's servant, the demon Trinavarta, appeared in the form of a whirlwind and flew away with the child, raising a whirlwind was covered with a dense cloud of dust, so thick that nobody could see anything. Yashoda got alarmed and, unable to find her baby, wept aloud. Growing load, he was forced to come down on the. Trinavarta tried to take the baby on his shoulders, but Krishna made himself very heavy, unable to bear Krishna's girl, and died. The ground, Krishna became as huge as a mountain and grabbed Trinavarta's neck. The demon tried to get out of the clutches of Krishna. Just then Krishna released him, and he fell with a huge thud over Gokul.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hello.
Help me! Help me!
Okay,
Help me! Help!
I am coming. Okay, I am coming.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hello.
Help me! Help me!
Okay,
Help me! Help!
I am coming. Okay, I am coming.